So this is 14 grams of plant-based protein. If you're looking for some super simple ways to have a healthy breakfast with zero added sugar, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different solutions that are perfect, especially for a whole food plant-based diet, as well as for a Daniel fast. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of plant-based food, products, as well as recipes on my channel. So be sure to like this video and subscribe if that's what you're into. All right, in my last video, I shared with you all about the PLANTSTRONG brand. This brand is so awesome. I'm super excited to partner with them, especially for today's video. They sent me some of these products to try, and I also am going to be sharing a lot more of their products in upcoming videos, so be sure to follow along if that's what you're into. But basically, they have a whole line of whole food, plant-based products with zero added sugar. They do sweeten items with dates and fruit, so it's just a totally natural whole food plant-based product line. Most of their products are certified organic, they're all vegan, they're non-GMO verified, and then some of them are just non-GMO verified and not totally organic, but all of them are vegan. And so for breakfast, I think that they're a really great option for people who are busy and don't have time to cook but want to eat a nice protein-packed, high fiber, nutrition-dense breakfast. So PLANTSTRONG offers 4 different plant-based milks made from a variety of different ingredients like oat and almond, oat and walnut, and then oat, plain, unsweetened. So you can actually purchase these online. I share links in the description below of where you can purchase these. What I like too about their products is that you can actually do a variety pack, so you can try a bunch of them. This is like the variety pack of milks. Then they have a variety pack of Rip's Big Bowl. So Rip is the Rip Esselstyn is the creator of PLANTSTRONG. His father is actually a very well-known plant-based doctor. They love sharing whole food plant-based recipes, and their product line is amazing. So the first breakfast that I'm going to recommend today, we're going to open one of these up and pour it out and give it a try along with one of the plant milks, is the Big Bowl granola. So they have several different flavors. Right here I have 3 of them. This is the banana walnut. Then they have a berry almond, and then they have a date raisin, and then I think they even have another flavor. I don't have that here today, but these are perfect for healthy, quick breakfast because literally you just put them in a bowl and mix it together. So this one has 6 grams of protein. It also has calcium, iron, potassium, and it's sweetened with dates, so you don't have to worry about added sugars in this, which makes these perfect for a Daniel fast. And if you don't know what a Daniel fast is, definitely check out the links in my description below on my website at dailyfoods.com, because I share a Daniel fast meal plan as well as grocery shopping list for Daniel fasting. And Daniel fasting is basically a whole food plant-based biblical fast where you don't you don't consume any added sugar. You basically have a very simple diet over the course of the fast, and it goes perfectly with this PLANTSTRONG brand. Now, the next 2 products are also available online on Amazon. I shared these in my Amazon storefront, but these are also really great solutions for just making a quick healthy breakfast that's super versatile. So one of these is actually a relatively new type of product that I haven't seen a whole lot on the market, but this is one of my favorite brands called Z Natural Foods. This is organic crispy puffed quinoa. Instead of having like a regular cereal, especially one that's packed with added sugar, these crispy puffed quinoa pieces are really delicious. These are perfect for like putting in a bowl with some plant milk and having it as a cereal with maybe some fruit. But quinoa is packed with a lot of nutrition. In 1/4 cup serving of this crispy puffed quinoa, you get 2 grams of protein. There's also, look at, a lot of iron, potassium, and there's no added sugar, and it also has fiber, and there's only one ingredient. It's just quinoa. So I really like having this on hand, and I do share a link in the description below for this product because you can't find it everywhere. But I also like to make breakfast bars with this, and I'll share that in a follow-up video. But today I'm just going to share with you a nice, delicious, quick and easy breakfast that you can make with the quinoa. And then before we get into recipes and sharing actual meals, the third ingredient is Bob's Red Mill old-fashioned rolled whole grain oats. These are so great. Bob's Red Mill is such a great brand. They're an American brand. They're an employee-owned company. I use a lot of their products, including their all-purpose flour, their organic whole wheat flour, their dry active yeast. I also have their gluten-free flours, but they have so many great products, and their oats are really awesome. These are just whole grain oats, and one thing that I've been doing, and I'm going to share with you today really quickly how to do it, is I've been cooking the oats in my Elite Gourmet stainless steel rice cooker. This is such, honestly, I think the easiest way to cook oatmeal. I wish I had known about this sooner, because honestly, you just put the oats together with some water and a pinch of salt, and you push start, and this is going to cook the oats for you. You don't have to sit over the stove and monitor it. This is like, I can't believe I never thought of this before, but I'm going to show you really quickly today how to do this. Now, I love this brand. This is Elite Gourmet. I also have their bread maker. What I like about this, and I specifically purchased this one, is because they have a stainless steel inner pot. A lot of rice cookers are made with non-stick Teflon inner pots, and this one is not that expensive. I'll share a link in the description below for where you can purchase this. This is such a great little rice cooker. I honestly use this a lot. I also use my Instant Pot for cooking things, but I honestly just gravitate towards this one pretty much as a daily cooker for rolled oats, because all I have to do is just push start and it's ready to go. So let's dive into some prepared breakfast. I'm going to show you how I would prepare these 3 easy whole food plant-based breakfasts that are perfect for anyone who's busy or don't want to cook. Right, so first, let's go ahead and make this oatmeal so we can have it ready to go. I like to store these oats in these OXO pop containers. These are so great because they are airtight containers, but they're also lightweight. They're not glass, which I know glass is really popular, but honestly, glass is really heavy. So I've been honestly switching a lot of my meal prep bins to these pop containers, and I really love how easy they are to open, because you just push a little button and then you could pull the lid off instead of having to use a bunch of different little levers to open the lid. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1.5 cup of these rolled oats in the rice cooker. Then I also have a little pop container of Redmond's real salt. I'm just going to do like a little pinch of salt. Now I have 3.5 cups of water. You can use whatever ratio you prefer. Generally, it's a 2-to-1 liquid to oat ratio, but I actually kind of like to do 2.5-to-1 in the rice cooker, because I like my oatmeal nice and soft. So I just put the lid on and then hit start. And in about 15 minutes, this is totally ready. And this is perfect for families for breakfast prep, because that was all I had to do. And then once this is cooked, it's just scoop and serve. All right, so the next breakfast that I'm just going to share with you how to prepare is the organic crispy puffed quinoa. So I shared earlier the nutrition facts that 1/4 cup has 2 grams of protein, iron, and potassium and fiber. Now, 1/4 cup is not very much, okay? So if you multiply that times 4, which is about 1 cup, this is about 1 cup of the cereal. I'm just going to combine it in a bowl with some bananas, and then we're going to use some of this plant-strong milk to top it, and that's it. Okay, so if we have 8 grams of protein right here from the quinoa, we have a little bit of banana, and then we do 1 cup of the oat and walnut milk from PLANTSTRONG. That's going to add another gram of protein, but it's also going to add a daily serving of B12. It has potassium, iron, calcium, and vitamin D all added in here. So this is perfect if you're not taking any other supplements. This is actually a really good way to get those supplements in. I also like that these milks have no gums, oils, or phosphates, which a lot of the other, especially the fortified milks on the market, have a lot of these funky ingredients. So I love that PLANTSTRONG is offering a plant milk where you don't have to have that. So we'll just add 1 cup of this, and that's it. Okay, you can go ahead and add anything else that you want to flavor this, but this is just going to be a really quick and easy breakfast. Okay, it literally took 1 minute if I wasn't talking. So definitely check out the links in the description below for where you can get this organic crispy puffed quinoa cereal, because this is definitely a winner. All right, and then the third breakfast that we're going to do today in this video is Rip's Big Bowl of banana walnut cereal. This is what it looks like when you open the package there. It's kind of like a mixture of oats with shredded wheat, and then also has some dates in there and some walnuts and banana. So this is like a really simple way to get a lot of those vitamins and minerals all into your diet in one bowl. And what's awesome is that one serving size is actually 1/2 of a cup. It has 6 grams of protein, and then it also has the calcium, iron, potassium, and fiber, and it's only got 4 grams of fat. But honestly, if you're like me, you probably would have more than 1/2 of a cup of this. So we're gonna go ahead and just measure 1 cup of Rip's Big Bowl granola in the banana walnut flavor. And that I'm gonna show you, that's basically like 12 grams of protein right there in just 1 cup. And then we're going to try one of their other milks too. Since this one's already sweetened with dates, I don't think we need to have a sweetened milk. So we're going to do the almond milk. All right, and then 1 cup of this almond milk has 2 grams of protein. It also has the vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, and B12 in it. So I don't know, I could be mistaken, but I think this has more protein than most almond milks. Most almond milks have honestly very little almond in them. So I'm happy to see that this one actually has 2 grams of protein. So if you add it all up, this is 12 grams of protein in the cereal, plus another 2 grams of protein in the milk. So this is 14 grams of plant-based protein in this one bowl, and it took me like about a minute to combine that. So definitely, I hope this was helpful for you in figuring out how to serve delicious and healthy whole food plant-based breakfasts that don't have any added sugars, because this is like a game changer. I know for us, like in our family, mornings are really busy. So actually getting a breakfast sometimes can be challenging, and making sure that everyone's starting their day with some protein, I found, is really important. Definitely check out the links in the description below, and thank you so much to PLANTSTRONG for sponsoring this video. Stay tuned because I have more PLANTSTRONG products coming in the mail, and I'm excited to share some even more meals using their products. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. All right, the oatmeal's done. Let's just check it out. Yum. I just like to scoop a big cup full of this creamy, delicious oatmeal. These oats turn out so creamy in the rice cooker. And then we're just going to top it with that almond milk, because all of the other milks have oats in them, and probably it's enough oats. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of the almond milk, and that's it.